Welcome to the world of self-service at USF, where we put control in your hands. In this video, we will show you how to set up third-party access for parents or any other supporter who may need access to your student record information. Here's what to do. From the My USF homepage, click on the Student Self-Service tile. Once you click on the Student Self-Service tile, you will be directed to the Student Self-Service landing page. Select Provide Third-Party Access under Student Record. This will take you to your proxy management screen, where you will see that you have no proxies currently available. Click the Add New to begin a new setup. Under Proxy Information, fill in the first name, last name, and email address for the parent or other supporter you'd like to be able to see your record in Student Self-Service. This individual will also be able to contact USF offices and ask questions about your student record. Please note, this individual will never be able to make changes to your student record on your behalf. Only you can and should do that. Next, select the relationship type that best defines your relationship. Your options are custodial parent, non-custodial parent, academic advisor, coach or NCAA, representative, employer or hiring agency, grandparent, high school counselor, home institution academic advisor. This is for undergraduate visiting and transient students. Home institution program coordinator. This is for graduate visiting and transient students. Home institution ROTC contact. This is for students participating in the ROTC Crosstown Agreement. Mentor, other family member, or spouse. In this example, I'm picking custodial parent because Sheila is my mom. Picking the right proxy relationship is important because a role like parent proxy provides more options than employer proxy, for example. I need to select a start date and stop date. I'm choosing for the access to start today, but I know that I'm going to be at USF for 4 years and don't want to have to set this up again, so the end date I'm choosing is June 1st, 2028. Next, I'm going to set up a description, which is a clue for my proxy to remember a passphrase, and a passphrase or password that my third-party proxy will use when they call a USF office. When your proxy calls an office at USF, we'll need them to use their password or passphrase to verify that the person trying to get information about your student record is approved by you to do so. You should make sure your proxies know that the passphrase and description should be kept and treated securely, like any other password. For this example, I'm going to make our dog the description and Sadie the passphrase. You will see many options for what your proxy can see, including account summary, which will show your student account balance for the current and any other terms. Award package, which outlines what financial aid has been awarded to you for the current or former aid year. Award history, which shows what financial aid was awarded to you in the current or prior years. Student detail schedule, which shows the classes that you're currently taking and any classes that you are registered to take in past or upcoming terms. Week at a glance, which shows the dates and times you're in class in a calendar format. Financial aid status, which shows if you're eligible for aid in the current or past award year, along with any actions you may need to take to complete the financial aid process. Student holds, which shows any active student holds on your account that may be preventing your ability to register or receive an official transcript or diploma. Student grades, which shows your midterm and final grades for any enrolled term. Tax Notification 1098-T, which your parents may wish to print or save if they claim you as a tax dependent and are preparing their federal tax return. Student profile, which shows a wealth of information from your current degree, majors, and GPA, to registration schedule, and this information for future and prior terms. College financing plan, which lays out the cost of attendance at USF for the current year, along with any types of aid provided to you and your total net cost you and your family will be expected to pay. Financial aid dashboard, which alerts you of any immediate action that you need to take to complete your financial aid award for the current or upcoming year. Financial aid award history, which displays your financial aid awards from past terms. Financial aid award offer, which displays your current financial aid award and allow you to accept and decline different types of aid. Financial aid notifications, which displays any notices from the Office of Financial Aid that you need to act on. Financial aid resources, which provides terms and conditions for receiving aid, along with more elaborate steps for accepting financial aid, including direct loans. Financial aid satisfactory academic progress, which informs you if you're academically eligible to receive financial aid. I'm going to choose the Select All button, but if you didn't want your third party to see all these areas of your student record, you can and should customize as appropriate with your relationship with them. If you click on the Email Authorizations icon, an email will be sent to your proxy letting them know what you gave them access to view. Once you make these selections, go ahead and click the Submit button. You will then see that a proxy has been created, but it displays as inactive. It's a good idea to reach out to the proxy to let them know you sent an invitation to view your student record, and they should check the email address that you entered for them. It will also be helpful for you to provide them with the link to the video for third-party proxy account setup, which will walk them through how to set up their account, as well as explain the information they will see when they log in. Once your proxy takes the necessary steps to set up their account, the inactive message will disappear. And when you click the Edit button, you will see a notification of when the proxy set up their account, the email address, verified date, and how long their access will last, the password expiration date. One last note of caution: if you choose to remove proxy access, which you can do by editing the proxy's permissions under the pencil icon for edit, or by deleting the proxy by clicking on the garbage can icon under their name, they will receive an email confirming these updates. Also, if you have selected to restrict access to your information in Archivum, the third-party access that you provided here will trump those restrictions. Please be sure you are only providing access to people who truly need to know. There are additional videos that you can watch that provide in-depth instructions about the components of student self-service. Please check them out, and as always, go Bulls!